Hy spring nou ou. Dis ek eers weer veilig en meter van die bed af.
Throughout the entire day. Let's just do a recap on the situation because you didn't really living press, what would raise at least £500. We didn't manage to sell the old settle, which we thought should raise £400. So what we haven't managed to raise is £900 towards the £2,000.
Sy Santi hierdie.
The good news is that what we have raised is almost half.
Gaan jou baas sit. Hierdie Santi hierdie.
And we managed to keep at least 2 lovely pieces of furniture for the building.
So £900 worth of cameras and £60 towards the other front.
Ja, want hy is nie opgepof nie.
Back at school, while they were money for a replacement oven, David and Barry have wasted no It's brought a very modern perspective to their curriculum. The money that
Neem maar video.
has enabled us to immediately improve what we can give to the children and so enrich their education, particularly in this case, the education of the older children. The pupils are already focusing their sights on the new cameras, and photography teacher Simon Quayle is very happy with how the new cameras are developing.
As hy eers my bounce kry van die voet af, jy kom.
Incredible creature, just catching the sunlight with great big beaks. What is he? Some sort of mythical creature with wings. And using a camera enables them to communicate effectively and creatively. They really enjoy it. They rise to the new challenge.
Hy wil op hy spring en dan kan ek weer gat. Ek wil nie ek moet in my bed sit nie. Wat hierdie? Wat hierdie? Byt hy maar. Kom. Nie so lê. Ek gaan nie so lê. Monty. Hy lê.
No. Come to those who bake.
Okay.
Gorgeous, beautiful guys.
Wat sê? Lekker leetjie so.